The 1 Billion Summit is the largest international summit for the creator economy in the world and reflects the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum to support creators worldwide.
On behalf of 1 Billion Summit followers team, thank you for being here. You may now begin the evaluation process and watch the videos over the iPad.
Let's go. كيف الحال؟ محمود يا مرحبا كيف الحال؟ اللحظة المنتظرة مع لجنة التحكيم.
Why did you start doing what you do?
The goal was to make a change in people's life.
Who is the person or figure that changed your life?
Jay Shetty, who is actually speaking at this event, he was one of the people that changed my life. My whole life I grew up very depressed. I didn't want to be here anymore, and I would put on his YouTube videos and he would inspire me to live another day.
شخص أرسل لي رسالة قال لي بترجاك ما تطلع تعطينا دايما مبادئ وأنت تهرب وتسكت، اطلع احكي، اطلع ساعدنا، اطلع انشر، كل واحد من ميلته بيقدر يساعدنا بشيء معين.
أكتر شيء أثر فيي الناس اللي كنت موجود.
What is the biggest challenge you face?
Time.
Time.
Time, I don't have much time. I feel like time is the biggest problem, and I do feel like I'm running against time. But as a content creator, I think it's having the ability to follow through on the content.
كله من 5 الفجر وأنا ما في عندي كهرب، وكل العمارة اللي أنا ساكن فيها هاي اللي مقصوفة واقفة على رجل إنه ممنوع حدا يشبك من البطارية هاي كهرب إلا لمحمود عبين ما يخلص مقابلته مع الشباب تبعين قمة المليار.
Simon, what would you do with $1 million?
هتعملوا إيه بالمليون دولار؟
$1 million.
هتعمل إيه $1 million?
هتعمل إيه بال1
واو.
Okay. وسؤالي نفس سؤاله، هتعمل إيه بال$1 million?
I want to change the world with that money. I would love to open a non-for-profit charity through my work.
خلق فرص، يعني أنا مع الديمومة مع الاستمرار. شعبنا شعب راقي وشعب عزيز النفس بده تخلق له فرص عمل.
I would carry on doing what I'm doing, which is going out there and hearing people's dreams and trying to promote them, helping people believe in themselves, helping people get the tools they need for free to do what they love.
So now it's time to evaluate. What do you guys think?
Honestly, it's very hard to decide.
كثير صعب الموضوع.
It's gonna be hard, but let's do it. They're all deserved. Who am I, like you said?
How do the 4 of us judge this? All right, so that was the evaluation, and we want to wish whoever the winner is lots and lots of success and congratulations.
Congratulations.
مبروك عليك يا حبيبي.
We're proud of all of you.